Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please hit the big red subscribe button. Well, I'm just going to jump into it. You clicked on it because of the title, obviously. So, 5 ways you can make money right now being broke. I know times is getting hard. You know, Donald Trump limiting food stamps, you feel me? It's getting that real. So, now we got to look for new alternatives. So, number 1, do surveys. Me personally, this is not no sponsored video, but me personally, I use Survey Junkie. Like, I love Survey Junkie because, like, in a matter of like two and a half days, I got up to $25-$30, and that really helped me out. Like, considering, you know, my weed addiction, it totally helped me out. So do surveys with Survey Junkie. They pay you straight out in PayPal, and I did it before. Like, they actually pay you out. It's not none of those fake things. Number 2, if you ever just look in your closet and you just like, damn, I got too many clothes. Like, why they still got a tag on it? Why I ain't been out wearing this? You in luck. Because you can take that to your neighborhood Plato's Closet or any consignment store and get cold hard cash for it right there. Right there. I'm telling you, like, the most I've got from Plato's is like $90 at one time. So it really helps if you do have some clothes that you don't want no more. You can sell them at Plato's or whatever consignment shop you have in your area. I know since me living in Cleveland, like, we have Plato's and Avalon and stuff. So yeah. And then number 3, like, any type of online like shopping app, like OfferUp, Let Go. Like, if you have big things, like you're trying to get rid of a sofa, or you're trying to get rid of a TV, a car, you know, electronics, like bigger stuff that, you know, that you can't take to consignment shops. So you got like OfferUp, eBay, Let Go, Craigslist, and many others. I'll have them listed down in my description. I actually have all of these things listed down in my description. Number 4, if you don't like kids, I recommend that you do not do this one, but babysitting and nannying. That, I feel I've done that personally. I still have my own, you know, nannying business going on as we speak. I make the most money I can out of that. Like, one time I was making $15 an hour for one kid, and I charged like $5 more for like siblings and stuff, so I could be making upwards of $20-$30 an hour. You feel me? Date nights, I do deals. I watch overnights, so I do deals for those. But that's even more of a quick way for me to make some money because I usually charge like $60-$70, like for like overnights, or like date nights is straight 45. Like, you feel me? So if you do love kids and you want to start your own business and you want to start making money for yourself, I feel like babysitting is like the best one to do. And then last but not least, number 5, if you are afraid of needles, again, I would highly recommend not doing this, but selling your plasma. You can make a lot of money. I know in the Cleveland area, new donors are making upwards to $300 and $400, like, you know, through like their beginning new donor stage of donating. So you can do that. I feel like the money that they get from your actual plasma versus what they give you is a little shysty in my opinion, but hey, if you need money now, it's a great way to get some money, and you know you're getting paid twice a week. Because you can only do it twice a week. I feel like that's the downside, but then again, I don't want you to take so much plasma out of me that I'm about to die, you feel me? So 2 days a week, you know for sure that you got some money coming. But yeah, those are 5 ways to make some money real quick if you're in need of some cash, some moolah. So if you like that video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you don't like that video, give me a big thumbs down and comment below what you did or did not like about it. If you have some other ways of making money fast, please comment below, because you know your girl broke ass always looking for more ways to make money. Please comment below. I really want to hear what y'all do to get money real fast. Thank you for watching. Hit the big subscribe button. I know you want to. Just hit it. Just hit it, okay? Just hit it. I want to look. I swear to God. I swear to God. I want to look. Just hit it.
Blast that shit back if you blasting.